All right, so it's your boy Classic, and I'm starting this new YouTube channel called Victory is Mind. The victory is your mind because I feel like, you know, there's not enough of us out there spreading the truth. I feel like I should be one of those voices out there to help the truth community to develop more awareness and stuff like that because we need more of us to keep speaking up about the truth, what's going on in the world. And, bringing different topics, bringing awareness, inspiration. It could be on anything. The truth is just the truth, regardless of the topic, food, whatever the case may be. So I think this is like a very vital time we're living in right now, very important time, um, very destructive times, whether or not some might say it's the end times or whatnot, but either way you put it, this is some serious stuff going on in the world. So this is what propelled me to sort of come out the box and try to, just regardless of criticism that I might face, it's a part of it. And I just want everybody to know that we all make mistakes. Nobody's 100% perfect. But just even if you just gain a little bit of truth from something, just take it, because nothing is really perfect. And then again, you can look as perfection as not being perfect. So you see, it's all about in the mind and how you perceive things. But the bottom line is just take what you need, take what you gain from it, whether it's something that you learn, something that can comfort you, whatever that you gain from something you listen to, just take the good. You don't have to take the bad. Because I can listen to something negative, an hour of negativity, and there's even 1 second of something that's good, and I just take that. And I just eliminate the 59 minutes and 59 seconds out of it. I eliminate everything and just take that 1 second of truth. So that's what it's all about. It's extracting the truth, extracting what you need. It's like straining out all the impurities. It's a filter, because when you listen to anything out there, or when you observe, it's all about filtering. You filtered what you don't need, and that's what's happening. That's what's happening. Never try to like put down anybody that's trying to spread the messages out there, because they just spread what they believe in, they spread what they perceive, they spread what they trust, what they have faith in, and what they believe is the right thing that they're doing. So